I have ordered this cordless pressure washer from Gomechanic, and I got this on Blinkit in around 1800 rupees and got delivered in less than 10 minutes. It was super amazing. Let's check it out. It comes in this sleek box, which looks okay for the price you pay, not super heavy duty. Let's see what do we have in this box. So we get this warranty card with some accessories and components to mount onto the pressure gun. You get this long hose which could be connected directly to a tap or to a bucket full of water. We get this battery. It seems there are two batteries here. This is a foam container where we can mix your cleaner or shampoo mix. And lastly, the pressure gun itself. I'll test it out and see how it goes. This is where you install the battery. They have recommended to charge it fully for a couple of hours and then use it. And the claimed charge time or run time is 15-20 minutes per full charge. Thanks for watching. So this is the battery which comes along with the pressure gun, and if you are not sure where do we charge it, right? So I was searching where is the plug. So if you see, the plug is right here, and this is in both the batteries here as well. You can use this charger which was provided by them to charge these batteries.